How do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript? And there you go. Hello guys and welcome to a brand new video. Today I want to talk about ChatGPT, a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. In this video we will look at some of the key points like what is ChatGPT, how it works, what is the difference between existing chatbots and ChatGPT, what are the features and applications of ChatGPT, what are the different ways to access ChatGPT, and finally we will test ChatGPT to write a JavaScript program that will display a digital clock in the browser. So let's get started. First of all, let's see what is ChatGPT and how it works. ChatGPT is a type of artificial intelligence that is trained on a large dataset of human conversation and is able to generate human-like responses against any text input. It can be used for tasks such as generating chatbot responses, answering questions, and even writing articles and stories. It is a neural network-based language model that uses machine learning techniques to generate human-like text. It does this by predicting the next word in a given sequence of words based on the previous input data. The key difference between ChatGPT and other language generation models is its ability to generate text in a conversational style, and it is able to generate human-like text. Moreover, it can answer any question you ask from it. Now that you understand what is ChatGPT, why ChatGPT, and how it works, let's look at some of the features of ChatGPT. So one of the most key feature of ChatGPT is its ability to generate human-like text. It can produce very natural sentences that are very difficult to distinguish from text written by a human. This means that it can carry on a natural sounding conversation even if the topic changes multiple times. In addition to generating text, ChatGPT is also able to perform various natural language processing tasks such as language translation and summarization. This makes it a powerful tool for a wide range of applications including chatbot, language translation services. It can also help us in writing programs and do stuff like coding. Moreover, ChatGPT is able to generate product descriptions, articles on any topic, scripts, and essays. So now let's see how we can use ChatGPT. There are few different options. You can use the online demo provided by OpenAI, which allows you to input a prompt and see the response generated by ChatGPT. You can also use the ChatGPT API, which allows you to integrate ChatGPT in your own applications or websites. Please let me know if you want a video where I should use ChatGPT and create a project around it. So overall, ChatGPT is a powerful and versatile language model that has a wide range of potential uses. Whether you are looking to create a chatbot, answer customer questions, or generate content, ChatGPT is good to explore. Now enough theory, let's actually see a practical use case of ChatGPT in coding. Let's see if ChatGPT can create a simple website that shows a working digital clock. So let's ask for write me a code to display a digital clock in JavaScript, and here you can see that it is preparing the code and done. Now let's copy paste the code inside CodePen and let's try it out. So as you can see that it is able to create a fully functioning digital clock for me, and this is how powerful ChatGPT is. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon next to it. At last, thanks a lot for watching and I will see you in the next one.